What is up, guys, ladies and gents? Please like, subscribe, help us hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of view time so we can keep our YouTube game going. We're having a lot of fun. We're having a blast doing the channel, but we got to make it worth our while a bit. So help us get the word out, share with your friends. Hope you enjoy this one. What is up, guys? Derek with Divine AV here. We have a very cool project today. So I want to get out of this room as quickly as possible because it's making me sick. Put this ugly black wood up here to block this window out. Just all the wrong idea. They offset it like a foot to the left and put the rack up there. If it was me, I would have put it in the back corner and dropped all these speakers down wrong height everywhere. So yeah, a lot of times I'd be trying to fix this stuff, speakers way up there above the screen. But in this case, we get to take everything out, rip it all out, and put it into his brand new house that he just built. So let's get it done. Then he's moving these wires because they wired them up front in this crazy little niche. So he's moving those guys in. We're building a custom curved screen. It's gonna fit to this niche, but we're actually custom building it so it's gonna come out to here, cut in, and then curve into the niche. It's gonna be pretty sweet. Aside from that, this room is wired all crazy. So thank God for other AV installers doing stuff wrong. It keeps us busy. The rear's useless, so we're gonna extend them back, drop them into this wall right here. For the backs, it's 9-channel system, so those are the only ones they wired right. The overhead's wrong as well, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to move those. And then we're actually putting this rack where Benny's wiring. There's gonna be a stand-up 4-foot tall rack that's gonna go right behind this screen. I got with the client, he decided that he wanted to make everything go away, and there's no closet anywhere else to run it to, so we're gonna put that rack right there up front. So he doesn't need to access anything in that rack. It's just for service. So we're gonna have enough space to crawl under the screen and get to it if we need to. Let's get it going. Alright guys, here we decided to run all new wires for the front stage, for the right, center, and left. Got these two right here for the left and the right. Cut out a box, drilled through these studs, popping everything over. And we're going to drill through this stud right here and drop down to there. She got her rack all finished up. Looks super clean in there. Got a lot of stuff going in here. Got the subwoofer hooked up right there. We got a Sony. We have a speaker selector, so we're running his own as Hios to speaker select between the game room and the dining room. MRF 350 for universal remote, Roku, Amazon, 2 Hios zones, and receiver. Let's get this going. There's that screen there, perfectly fills up this niche, maxed out that screen size. What, that's a 117 custom built right there. Pretty screen.